In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking data, managing a project, or just need a simple table for organizing information, creating tables in Google Sheets is an essential skill. And the best part? It's incredibly easy once you know the steps. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to sign into Google Sheets. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sheets homepage. If you aren't already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your Gmail credentials and you'll be ready to go. Once you're in, you can either create a new spreadsheet or choose an existing one that you'd like to add a table to. For creating a new spreadsheet, just hit the blank option and your new sheet will open up, providing you with a fresh canvas for your table. Now, with your Google Sheet open, you'll want to locate the Insert menu. It's nestled right at the top of your screen. Click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear, and this is where you'll find plenty of useful options for creating various elements. For now, direct your attention to the Table option in this drop-down menu. Clicking on Table is what allows you to easily create a structured table within your spreadsheet. This feature helps in organizing your data neatly, allowing for better analysis and presentation. Next up, you'll need to choose a table format. When you click Table, you'll be presented with several format options to choose from. These formats are pre-designed and offer different styles and functionalities. Depending on your preferences or the type of data you're handling, you can select a format that best suits your needs. You may opt for something minimal if you're looking for a clean, simple design, or go with a more elaborate style if you're looking to highlight certain parts of your data. It's worth noting that Google Sheets also allows you to customize these formats further. For instance, you can adjust colors, borders, and fonts to align with your branding or personal style, or to emphasize certain data points. This flexibility ensures your table looks professional and meets your specific requirements. In summary, creating a table in Google Sheets is a straightforward process that starts with signing into your Google account, opening a sheet, and using the Insert menu to establish and format your table as you like. Taking the time to get familiar with these options will enhance how you organize and present your data, making collaboration and analysis much more effective. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.